You can move your neck and back so easily after an adjustment. No amount of stretching or exercise can deliver this result. Cables enable signals for your internet and Wi-Fi, so you can send messages easily. Likewise, nerves are found in your spine and body. They are like Wi-Fi cables which send signals to your body, messages about pain, strength, even stress and digestion. So every time you get an adjustment, it's like resetting your Wi-Fi, your nerve signals. Fix your pain, migraine and tension headaches. There are also temporary changes after an adjustment such as strength, running speed and even stability while standing on one leg. Wow, the power of an adjustment. Now, here's what everyone needs: a decrease in cortisol, which is a stress hormone, so you can feel better and sleep better. Less stress might also benefit stress-related digestive issues. Achieve it all at MBA Chiropractic. Get adjusted regularly to reset your nerve signal.
MBA Chiropractic. Reignite your active life.